Hello everybody and welcome to the Recommender Systems course. In the next few slides we'll go over the overview of the course and the learning objectives. We will now take a minute to look at the structure of the course and the learning objectives. In the first section of the course we'll have a brief overview of Recommender systems used at global companies. In the second section of the course we'll look at the fundamental concepts of similarity and feature spaces. In the third section of the course, we'll be looking at a recommender system approach known as content-based filtering, which uses product features and user feedback ratings in order to generate the next recommended products. In the fourth section, we'll look at the concept of cosine similarity and use it to create a basic recommender system. In the fifth section, we'll look at a more advanced recommender system known as collaborative filtering. In the sixth and final section of the course, we'll look at something known as the cold start problem. Let's now take an overview of recommender systems. A recommender system is an information filter that attempts to predict a customer's product preferences such that suitable products or items can be recommended for their purchase or consumption. For example, in e-commerce, the system uses information about the customer to filter out products that the user is expected to like and provides a list of the products with the highest potential to satisfy them. This is usually done by attempting to predict what the customer's ratings will be for any given product or next potential purchase based on their purchase history and those of other members with similar preferences. For example, Spotify has a database of songs. It makes recommendations for songs to add to a playlist based on the songs already in the playlist and their similarity. It also recommends songs and albums to individual users, as well as creates custom playlists for the users based on their listening history. A classic example of a recommender system is that used by Netflix. Netflix recommends TV shows and films to their users based on their user watching history. In 2006, Netflix even issued an open global challenge to see who could come up with the best method for recommending movies that they may be able to use on their platform. Another common use of recommender systems is within e-commerce, where a customer's rating history and product purchase history will be used to recommend potential products that they may be interested in purchasing. Later on in the course, we'll look at a practical implementation of a product recommender system.